As many countries become super-age societies, senior healthcare is more important than ever. ITRI's iSleePad uses non-contact physiological sensor technology for remote health monitoring and provides medical professionals with vital information on home care. iSleePad is user-friendly and requires no direct skin contact with sensors, making it ideal for sleep monitoring in various settings. It tracks breathing, heart rate, and sleeping position, and includes an alarm feature that detects unusual bed departures. This allows care providers to respond to emergencies promptly. iSleePad offers 3 main benefits: non-contact monitoring, real-time sensing, and versatility. Thanks to the AIoT non-contact large area physiological sensing technology, it can continuously monitor heartbeat, breathing, and activity without touching the skin. iSleePad provides valuable data on sleep patterns and offers intelligent feedback to promote deep sleep through its Schumann resonance mode. Furthermore, it supports sleep evaluation and enhances overall health monitoring. iSleePad can be used in any setting, whether at home, in care centers, or in medical facilities, for anyone in need of healthcare. This advanced technology ensures high-quality remote health monitoring without compromising users' sleep comfort or safety.